Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make inserted picture transparent in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to make inserted picture transparent. Firstly, insert a picture. Go to the tool section and find and select the place tool. Then choose picture from our file. Now I select this picture and click open. Then place the picture. Then select this picture and go to the layer option and select the picture layer. Then we can see here the opacity. Then we click this arrow and decrease the opacity and check the picture. We can see this picture is a transparent picture. You can increase the opacity again or decrease. Now I increase some. Now we can see we make a inserted picture transparent very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.